It's a beautiful Sunday morning, so it's a great opportunity to catch up some projects in the garage. Today we're going to install a Jobar Insta-Screen double garage door screen on the garage behind me. Now, this kit is quick and easy to install, and it's a great way to keep fresh air in your garage during the warm summer months. So when you're working in the garage, you can leave the garage door up and allow fresh air to circulate, so I bet it'll keep out bugs and debris. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to install one of those today. The Insta-Screen garage door screen includes everything shown for a quick and easy installation. It is available in either a single or double garage door size. Well, here's your Insta-Screen kit. Now the installation is pretty straightforward, but here's a few little news and notes. Here's your garage screen. This is the double door size, so it's 16 by 7 feet. Also comes with some hook and loop strips to attach it to the side of your garage door. Some screws and anchors. So if you're attaching your Insta-Screen to concrete or drywall, it can include some screws. If you're going to be attaching it to a wood frame like I'm doing today, you will need to pick up some nails from your local home improvement store. And also, lastly, these are the weight tubes that go along the bottom of the Insta-Screen. So when you get ready time to install these, you will need to pick up some sand. So when you make a run for nails, it might be time to pick up a bag of sand. So you're simply just going to have to pull off the tops. There we go. And fill each of these with sand and weight it down. So we'll demonstrate that during the install process. First, size up the garage screen and determine where you'll be attaching it. Once you have decided on its placement, mark the location for each nail or screw with a pencil. Use the metal eyelets on the garage screen as your guide to mark the locations. Once each position is marked, use either a hammer or a screwdriver to attach each of your anchors. Leave 1/4 inch of the nail showing so you're able to attach the garage screen in the next step. After you have installed all the upper hardware, place the eyelets of the garage screen on each nail. You'll see that our garage door frame is slightly smaller than 16 feet wide, so there is a little slack in the screen at the upper left corner. You can avoid this by anchoring the screen in the drywall, but we chose to install it in the wood frame for easier placement. Once the garage screen has been hung in place, secure the bottom corners of the screen with a nail or screw. Next, you can attach the hook and loop straps to either side of your garage door. These will keep the screen in place horizontally. The next step of the installation process is the fun part. It is filling each of the weight tubes with sand. Now, these weight tubes will prevent the Insta-Screen from blowing or lifting in the wind. And once you have filled the tubes with sand, insert them in the sleeve at the bottom of the Insta-Screen. Now, the sleeve on the screen has a hook and loop closure to keep the weighted tubes in place. When done, you're ready to use the Insta-Screen. The installation does just take a matter of minutes. There's an opening at the center of the screen with magnetic closures to keep out bugs. So keep your garage cool, comfortable, and bug-free while you're working in the garage with an Insta-Screen.